is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on my feet.
C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims along. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for horse that hops around. I is for igloo, icy and cold. J is for jelly, wobbly and bold. K is for kite that flies up high. L is for ladybug, spot and shy. M is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nest.
N is for nest with birds, 1, 2, 3. O is for octopus, swimming so free. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rabbit that jumps up and down. S is for sun that shines